This locality that we are reviewing today was once called Malurpura or Jasmine town. Jasmine cultivation was practiced across a huge expanse of land here. Were you able to guess the name of the locality? No? Then let me give you another clue. This region is part of Kolar district and is situated at a distance of around 48 kilometers from Majestic, the heart of Bengaluru. Were you able to guess the name at least now? Yes? You got that right, it's Malur. Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya. Welcome to this episode of MBTV's Locality Review, wherein we will check out the infrastructure facilities, connectivity, developmental aspects and civic issues in Malur.
Malur, part of Kolar district, is situated at a distance of about 48 km from Bengaluru. Kolar-Malur Road, Bagalur Malur Road and the Hoskote Malur Road form a junction in the northern part of the locality. Bagalur Malur Road or SH17 splits into Malur Masti Road and Bengaluru-Malur Road in the southern tip. Malur is surrounded by areas like Hoskote, Chintamani and Narsapura. Malur Industrial Area is fast developing as one of the auto industry clusters. Many big and multinational auto companies like Mahindra, Volvo, Scania and TVS Motors are in the process of acquiring land here. There are proposals before the government to make it an electronics cluster with an uninterrupted power supply. The Bengaluru Chennai Expressway, part of the Bengaluru Chennai Industrial Corridor, passes through Malur, and this has led to a rise in demand for commercial real estate in this area. Apart from automobile firms, many pharma companies and small-scale industries have made Malur their home. Horticulture produce and flowers grown in and around the region are exported to other states and countries with the help of high-end technologies, thereby creating more demand and employment in the agricultural sector as well. Other employment hubs like the Narsapura Industrial Area is situated at 19 km and Hoskote at 18 km. Apart from this, people living here are majorly occupied with agriculture and horticulture. Easy access to the talent and labor pool from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is another reason why many companies are setting up their units in Malur. There are decent educational institutions and hospitals in and around Malur. Unique International School, JSS Mahavidyapita, Government PU College for Girls, Malur ESI Hospital, St. Mary's Hospital and Sanjana Hospital are a few to be named. Malur Market Area is where one can buy fresh fruits and vegetables directly from the farmers. Malur can be reached via road or rail. Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation or the KSRTC runs a good fleet of buses from Malur to Bengaluru. Malur Bangarpet Road, Kolar-Malur Road, Hoskote Malur Road, Bengaluru-Malur Road and Masti-Malur Road are the major stretches of connectivity to Malur. Malur Railway Station is an important rail hub connecting the locality to Bengaluru and other towns and states. Hundreds of people travel to Bengaluru daily via train or bus for employment purposes. Looking at the trend, Malur is likely to be transformed into a satellite town in the near future. Malur is majorly considered for investment purposes, and plots occupy a major chunk of the property share both in residential and commercial real estate. Around 78% of the properties in Malur listed for sale on the Magic Bricks website consist of residential plots, followed by villas and agricultural land that stand at 6% each. The consumer profile of Malur majorly consists of localites. However, many are also investing in Malur owing to its connectivity and future prospects due to industrial and infrastructure development. Malur is still an out-of-the-town semi-urban industrial area mostly suitable for investment purposes rather than end use. Given the scenario, one cannot complain about the lack of civic infrastructure along the interiors of the locality.
Presence of many automobile, pharma and small-scale industries, prospects of future development due to enhanced investment by many multinational companies and government taking up infrastructure projects like the Bengaluru Chennai Industrial Corridor and Expressway, excellent connectivity via a clean network of roads and good condition of road connecting Malur with Bengaluru and smooth flowing traffic are some of the major factors that's catalyzing demand for real estate properties in Malur. In case you have any specific information to add about Malur, do write to us in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to MBTV for more such locality reviews. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off with camera person Pragat. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.